Hello, everyone. I'm Tammy Williams, and welcome to Naturally Brown Woman, the natural resource for and about women of color. So, the question today is, do you know someone that's really, really good at cooking something? Okay, so they may not be in a big restaurant, they may not be on a TV cook show, but they can do some awesome things in the kitchen. Well, in our series called Home Cooking, we feature different entrepreneurs who have that special recipe, those special recipes that we just simply love, our favorite foods, but they just have a way of making them taste just so. Today we have Stacey Hawkins with us with H&H Catering and Events, and they are based out of Nashville, Tennessee. Hello, Stacey, and welcome to Naturally Brown Woman.
Thank you. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. I'm doing great. Stacey, I've heard about your chicken. I've seen pictures of your chicken and it looks delicious. You do a hot chicken that's just driving everybody crazy with wanting more. Tell me about your hot chicken.
Well, my mom used to cook it as a baked chicken. So, Nashville is hot for the hot chicken. So after my mom passed, I kind of perfected the seasoning part of it. And I entered into the Nashville Hot Chicken Contest in 2019. Well, I entered in 2018, but I won second place. And the next year, which was 2019, I entered again because I had reconstructed the recipe and I won first place.
Okay, so we know that your seasoning is for the hot chicken. Can you put it on anything else?
Yes, you can put it on anything. I actually use it for fish. I use it for green beans. I put it in my cabbage if you want it a little spicy. If you just want to add a little heat to anything that you're eating, it's good to use. I also make a chicken salad, a cold chicken salad, and I make a spicy cold chicken salad. So,
Okay.
yeah, you can add it to anything. My daughter puts it on her collard greens. I mean, yeah, you can add it to anything. I have a cousin that does barbecue, and
Mhm.
he puts it in his green beans. So,
Okay. Okay. So you use it for multiple things, multiple, not
yes,
just hot
ma'am.
chicken.
Not just hot chicken.
Yeah, yeah, but for lots of things. And your hot chicken is winning competition. So again, I want to encourage people. You got to check out Stacy's hot chicken when you get to Nashville. Check her out. And this is what's so unique, guys. Her seasoning is something that she created herself. The spices she pulled together herself. So this is not
Correct.
like going to the store and buying off the shelf something that's hot and you just kind of put that on your chicken or different foods.
No.
You blended some spices together.
Yes, I actually did. With the major spice being ghost peppers, but I blended the spices together to make a seasoning. It could be used on anything if
Wow.
you want the spice.
Wow. And you just said that your daughter doesn't use hot sauce anymore. So you're telling me,
My oldest daughter, she does not use hot sauce anymore. Now, my two kids are the ones that go out to these other hot chicken restaurants and taste their product and come home and tell mama, hey, you need to do this, you need to do that. So uh she uses the spice instead of hot sauce. She puts it on everything.
yeah, and people love hot sauce. So for you to
Right.
say that they're like shifting the hot sauce and using your seasoning instead of hot sauce.
She comes to get her a batch of hot seasoning every week.
Now, have they started like getting in the kitchen with you as well and trying to learn how to make it and put that seasoning together?
Yeah, my daughters, they do well, my oldest daughter, she's only interested in making the books. She wants to write the recipes
Oh,
and manage the recipes. She not gonna get her hands dirty at all. Now my baby girl, she will get in the kitchen with me and help me. Um, Most of the time when I have catering events, both of my daughters help. So,
how has COVID affected your business?
well, my business again, I just started in 2015,
Mhm.
so it's working up to the clientele, but I could see a drop in the people that have been ordering caterings and things like that because of the COVID. So it has impacted it some, not all the way, but it has impacted it some.
Okay. And I want to share this interesting fact that I did some research on the family, right? And I discovered that your grandmother, Roberta Hathaway, actually worked for Minnie Pearl, the
Mhm.
country comedian. They said she was a queen of comedy, country comedy. Minnie Pearl, she actually
Mhm.
worked for in her home, and she showed Minnie Pearl how to make fried chicken. So,
Well, I see
which
where I get my chicken skills from.
yeah, so it's pretty amazing that your grandmother was the chef behind Minnie Pearl's fried chicken that she actually sold in her restaurant for you generations later to still working with fried chicken but developing a seasoning and a spice that's just kind of like the best of hot fried hot chicken. So I thought that was
Right.
really really remarkable to find that
Yeah, that's the
information.
I haven't heard the story, but that's kind of flabbergasting to me. I see where I might get my chicken skills from, one, and it's just kind of amazing because my grandmother was a lady that liked to show people stuff, and she was a lady that liked to cook. And hey, if
Mhm.
you come to one of our family reunions, we all like to cook.
Yes. Yeah, yes. For sure. For sure. Stacey, where can people, if someone wants to order your seasoning or even have a taste of your fried chicken, how can they find you? How can they place an order?
I do have an Instagram, um, and I post everything on my Instagram, and my Instagram is HH _catering.
Okay. Okay.
And it'll be there, or you can call me 615-813-1821, or I'm also on Facebook as Stacey Hawkins.
Stacey, you've got to bottle this seasoning up. Have you ever considered putting your seasoning in a bottle and selling it?
Yes, I have that in progress now, and it should be available in the next couple of weeks.
Okay. And what is it called? What are you gonna call it?
It's gonna be called Love Heat.
Love Heat.
Um,
Okay.
Love Heat.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Love Heat. I love it. So guys, you've got to look for Love Heat when it comes out. Check out Stacey on her Instagram page, Facebook page. Look for Love Heat. If you're in the Nashville area, you've got to give her a call. Taste some of that hot fried chicken. It'll be the best hot fried chicken you've ever had. So just check her out and support her. She's one of our entrepreneurs in our home cooking series, and we love good home cooking. We love fried chicken, and she has the best. Stacey, thank you so much for being a part of Naturally Brown Woman, and we wish you much, much, much success.
Thank you very much for having me, and I appreciate it.
You're welcome.